I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating a new device on the Rogers network can seem daunting, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Here is how to get your new device up and running. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your new device, your Rogers account information, and the IMEI number of your new device. The IMEI can usually be found in the device settings or on the box. Step 2. Log into your Rogers account. Go to the Rogers website and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to device activation. Once logged in, find the section for device activation. This is typically under the My Devices or Manage My Account menu. Step 4. Enter your IMEI number. Input the IMEI number of your new device in a designated field. Double check it to avoid any errors, as an incorrect number can delay activation. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions. After entering the IMEI, follow the prompts to complete the activation process. You may need to restart your device once the activation is confirmed. If you encounter issues, make sure your device is compatible with the Rogers network, as some models may not be supported. Good luck with your new device, and enjoy your time on the Rogers network.